So a Repair Café is a pop-up event that takes place normally in a community venue or an arts venue like the Sherman Theatre, where people can come in and have their household items fixed completely for free by volunteers. They also work to kind of bring communities together in a really lovely, supportive, friendly space and teach people how to fix things for themselves as well.
So typically for Repair Café Wales in Cathays at the Sherman Theatre, we have a 3-hour event the first Saturday every month, when 20 or 30 people come to see us for our volunteer repairers to repair anything for them that they bring in. Personally, I've missed seeing other people, and I really enjoy the buzz we get at the events when people get things repaired.
We obviously always need more fixers, so if you've got any kind of fixing skills, we would love to have you. But we also need people to host the events, to do the admin side of things. So there's loads and loads of different ways you can get involved, and if you do want to volunteer with us, you can get in touch on our website, repaircafewales.org, or reach out to us on social media.